Dubai's viral paratha smash burger, flaky buttery paratha stuffed with juicy beef and caramelized onions. Today, I'm recreating it from scratch, and trust me, you'll want to watch till the end because the result will blow your mind. To start, I've taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of desi ghee. You can also use butter. Mix it well before adding water gradually to form a very soft dough. Brush with a little oil, cover, and rest it for 10 minutes. Now for the onions. This is what makes the burger taste restaurant style. In a pan, add 1 sliced onion with a splash of water, a pinch of salt, sugar, and a teaspoon of butter. Cook slowly, adding water as needed. The onions turn glossy and jam-like, just like the viral recipe. Set them aside for later. Brush the working surface with oil. Make a medium-sized dough ball and roll it out as thin as possible. Brush with oil, then cut into strips with a pizza cutter. Gather them into 1 long ribbon, roll from both ends, and fold into a ball like this. The layers will open beautifully once fried. This is what makes the paratha look so tempting. For the sauce, mix 2 teaspoons chopped pickled cucumber, 1½ tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, half a teaspoon black pepper, and a pinch of crushed red chili. This is enough for 1 burger. Double it if you're making more. After resting, press the balls flat to burger-size rounds. Cook on a hot pan. Brushing with oil until both sides are crisp and golden brown. Just look at those layers. It's paratha perfection. Now for the star, the patty. I'm using beef mince with natural fat, so no extra oil needed. Shape it to match the paratha size, season with salt and black pepper, and let it sizzle. Before taking it off, melt 2 slices of cheddar cheese right on top. Pure indulgence. To assemble, cut 1 paratha in half to use as the bun. Spread sauce on both sides. Add the cheesy patty. Top with caramelized onions, and close with the other paratha half. And there it is, the viral Dubai paratha smash burger, golden, cheesy, and unbelievably tempting. 1 bite and wow! Crispy, flaky paratha, juicy beef, sweet onions, and that creamy sauce, it's a flavor bomb. Honestly, nothing beats an OG burger, but this one comes very close. Try it yourself and tell me, would you swap your burger bun for paratha? Take care and happy cooking.